In the spirit of 50 years of business, and with the idea of living our purpose here at Cal Auto Group, we created something called Project Purpose. Through Project Purpose, we want to provide safe, reliable transportation to our community. And we want to do that through looking at customers or just community members' vehicles and helping them, in areas that they can't help themselves. We can help refurbish their vehicles, address the safety items and safety concerns, and just generally, improve the quality of the vehicles that they have.
Project Purpose is looking for someone in the community that's already giving back to their community, someone who's volunteering, taking time to really help other people.
A nominee for Project Purpose should be someone who positively impacts their community and the people around them, someone who cares about making an impact on those around them.
If you know of someone that can do with a vehicle refurbishment and needs that helping hand, please nominate them to us here at Project Purpose.